Hello students, how are you? Dear students, we start a new content, chapter 4 in our chemistry portion. This chapter is very important because carbon and its compound, the chapter name carbon and its compound. So many more things we study in senior classes also. That means class 11, class 12. So this chapter we discuss minor to minor points or very deep point. So before we start this chapter, first we discuss some simple information regarding to carbon or related to carbon. Carbon, it is a most important compound which are presents in everything in our surrounding. Not only living, also non-living. Means stone, soil, living thing also. So simply occurrence of carbon. Carbon is found in the atmosphere inside the earth crust and all living organism. Carbon is also present in fuel like wood, coal, charcoal, coke, petroleum, natural gas, biogas, Mars gas. And carbon is present in compounds like carbonates, hydrogen, carbonates. And carbon is found in the free state as diamond, graphite, fluorines means the alloy. And simply carbon, the symbol is C, atomic number 6, atomic mass 12, 13 and 14. Why we say 12, 13, 14? Because this is the isotopes of carbon. So according to the definition of isotope, the atomic number similar but the atomic mass differ. It is called isotope. So carbon, atomic number C 6 and mass 12, next C6 13, next C6 14. So this all types of atomic number and masses, it is a isotope of carbon. And electronic configuration according to Bohr-Bury is 2 and 4 because the total numbers of electron is 6 and the valence electron is 4. And according to energy level means above, the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. And according to electronic configuration in modern periodic table, a position of carbon present in 14th group. 14th group, and this group member basically represent in outermost cell means valence electron is 4, and carbon it is a single types of elements present tetravalency. So in previous year you also read the definition of valency, a capability or a value if any numbers of elements they donate or receive the numbers of electron and fulfill in outermost cell according to octet. According to octet means in the outermost cell have presents 8 numbers of electron. So the elements is stable. So in this case, carbon represent tetravalency. That means when they react to any other types of member, for example, hydrogen. So when 4 numbers of hydrogen are combined to carbon, they fulfill in outermost cell. So here carbon is a receiver and hydrogen is a donor. So carbon represent negative charge and hydrogen represent positive charge. So in this case, both number of atoms are stable or satisfied. And also, dear students, this types of carbon use calculate the value of moles with the help of C12, means atomic number 6 and atomic mass 12. And C6 14 means atomic number 6 and 14 are used to determine the age of fossil, means if any types of fossils, we calculate the age with the help of carbon C6H14. Okay, so this is the some information related to carbon. And also we share the occurrence of carbon. Carbon is found in atmosphere, inside the earth crust and all living organism. And also carbon is present in fuels like wood, coal, charcoal, coke, petroleum, natural gas, biogas, Mars gas. And also carbon is present in compound like carbonates, hydrogen carbonates. And carbon is found in the free state like that diamond, graphite and fluorines. And next video, dear students, we discuss some other types of information like that valency, bond and other. Okay, thank you.